औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू जर्नी ऑफ लर्न नॉलेज। आज का हमारा लेक्चर नंबर 11 जो 15 तक हम करेंगे अपना स्टैटिक्स का मिड टर्म प्रिपरेशन जो है, ठीक है। इससे पहले आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी कर लीजिए और शेयर भी कीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक भी कीजिए, ठीक है। चलिए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। व्हाट इज़ द सिंपलेस्ट मेजर ऑफ डिस्पर्शन? तो ये है हमारे पास रेंज। जी, ये है हमारे पास रेंज, ठीक है। द रेंज इज डिफाइंड एज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द, तो ये हमारे पास सी होगा लार्जेस्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन एक्स मैक्सिमम एंड द स्मॉलेस्ट ऑब्जर्वेशन एक्स मिनिमम। What is the primary disadvantage of the range as a measure of dispersion? ठीक है, तो ये हमारे पास होगा बी। इट इज solely based on the two extreme values and ignores all intermediate observation. The coefficient of range is a relative measure of dispersion calculated as, तो ये सी है हमारे पास x maximum minus x minimum over x maximum plus x minimum. The quartile deviation is also known as the, तो ये हमारे पास सेमी इंटरक्वार्टाइल रेंज है। The interquartile range is the difference between, तो ये हमारे पास the third quartile and the first quartile, ठीक है। Whether what percentage of the observation in a data set fall within the interquartile range, तो हमारे पास 50% है। Which statement is a key advantage of the quartile deviations, तो ये हमारे पास सी है। It is useful for open-ended frequency distribution. The mean deviation is defined as the arithmetic mean of the absolute deviations of observation from, तो इसका हमारे पास द मीन मीडियन और मोड है। फॉर अ गिवन डाटा सेट द मीन डेविएशन इज मिनिमम व्हेन डेविएशंस आर टेकन फ्रॉम द, तो ये मीडियन है हमारे पास। Why are absolute values taken when calculating the mean deviations? To avoid the algebraic sum of deviations becoming zero. Which measure of dispersion is better than range or quartile because it considered all observation, तो ये mean deviation है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 है हमारे पास। variance is defined as the arithmetic mean of the skewed deviations from the mean. Which measure of dispersion is the positive square root of variance? तो standard deviation। Why is standard deviation performed over mean deviation? It is mathematically more suitable for further analysis. Which symbol represents population variance? तो ये हमारे पास symbol है। The unit of variance is square of the original unit. Why is sample variance divided by n minus 1 to obtain an unbased estimate of population variance? If all observations are constant, the standard deviation is 0. Properties standard deviation in independent of change of origin but dependent on change of scale. This means, तो ये हमारे पास adding constant does not change, st multiplying does. If SD is equal 5 and 10 is added to each value, new SD is, तो 5 हो गया हमारे पास। Coefficient of variations is mainly used to compare variability of data sets. Formula of coefficient of variations is SD mean multiply 100. If CV of A is equal to 15% and B is equal to 25%, which is more consistent? तो ग्रुप A। नेक्स्ट नंबर 13 है हमारे पास। Shepard's correction is the technique applied to the variance and standard deviations of grouped data primarily to adjust for the error introduced by, assuming that the data values are concentrated at the midpoint of each class interval. When is Shepard's correction not applied to grouped data? तो ये है हमारे पास when the total frequency is very small. Okay. If sigma 2 is the variations calculated using the original grouped data formula, the corrected variance sigma 2 corrected using Shepard's correction is calculated as, तो ये हमारे पास sigma 2 corrected sigma 2 minus h2 over 12. In statics, moments are generalization of measure of central tendency and dispersion. The first moment about the mean u1 is always equal to 0. The second moment about the mean is equivalent to which measure of dispersion? तो हमारे पास variance sigma 2 है. The moments about an arbitrary origin A are known as, तो ये raw moments हैं. Moments are used to describe which four main features of a frequency distribution: center tendency, dispersion, skewness, and quartices. Skewness is a measure that describe the, तो ये हमारे पास भी है asymmetry or lack of symmetry of distribution. A distribution where the tail is longer on right hand side is called, तो ये हमारे पास डी है positively skewed to right skewed जिसको भी बोलते हैं, ठीक है. Quartosis is a measure that describe the, तो ये हमारे पास बी है relative peakedness of flatness of a distribution relative to the normal distribution. A distribution that has a flatter peak and thinner tails than the normal distribution is called, तो बी है हमारे पास. For a symmetrical distribution, the measure of skewness, तो बीटा 1 और y1 is always, तो ये 0 है हमारे पास. नेक्स्ट नंबर 14 है हमारे पास. In the context of grouped data, what is the purpose of converting raw moments about an arbitrary origin? तो ये हमारे पास सी इसका करेक्ट आंसर है. Which formula is used to express the relationship between raw movements and central movements? तो ये हमारे पास डी है, the general relationship using the binomial expression of the first central movement is always 0, the second central movement is equal to the, तो ये हमारे पास होगा variance. The moment ratio beta 1 is used as a measure of skewness. Its formula is, तो ये हमारे पास ये होगा the square root of beta 1 denoted as y1 gamma 1, अच्छा इसको gamma बोलते हैं, is also known as the moment coefficient of skewness for a perfectly symmetrical distribution. The value of gamma 1, ये y की तरफ बिल्कुल लग रहा है इसलिए कंफ्यूजन हो गई. अच्छा तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है हमारे पास 0. If the calculated value of gamma 1 is negatively gamma 1 less than 0, the distribution is said to be, तो ये negatively skewed होगा हमारे पास, इसको left भी बोलते हैं. The moment ratio beta 2 is used as the measure of kurtosis. Its formula is, formula ये है हमारे पास. For a normal distribution, the value of beta 2 is equal to, तो ये 3 के इक्वल होगा, ठीक है. A distribution is called elliptocortic is if, तो ये हमारे पास C है. A distribution is called platycortic if, तो ये हमारे पास C है. It has a flatter peak and thinner tails than the normal curve. The moment coefficient of quartices gamma 2 is calculated as gamma 2 is equal beta 2 minus 3 if gamma 2 is equal 0. The distribution is, तो ये हमारे पास मिस्कोकॉर्टिक होगा. distribution has gamma 1 greater than 0 and beta 2 less than 3 it is, तो ये हमारे पास बी होगा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 है हमारे पास call person first coefficient of skewness use the relationship between the mean and the mode the formula is, तो ये हमारे पास skewness का ये mean माइनस mode है। Call person's coefficient of skewness is a pure number, unitless because it is a relative measure, a ratio. Call person second coefficient of skewness is used when the mode is ill-defined for does not exist. It uses the empirical relationship. तो ये हमारे पास ये है। If the calculated value of call person coefficient of skewness is minus 0.75, the distribution is, तो ये हमारे पास negatively skewed है। Boyle's coefficient of skewness is based on the, तो ये हमारे पास quartile Q1, Q2, Q3 है। The formula for Boyle's coefficient of skewness, तो ये हमारे पास C है। For a symmetrical distribution, the position of the median should be exactly in the middle of Q1 and Q3. In this case, the value of Boyle's coefficient of skewness is, तो ये हमारे पास 0 होगा। Boyle's coefficient is performed over person's coefficient when the distribution has open-ended classes or contains extreme values. Measures of concentration are used to study how unequally our quantity like income or wealth is distributed among the items of a data set. The most common graphical tool for this is, तो ये हमारे पास Lorenz curve। In a Lorenz curve, the line of equal distribution, line of equality represents, तो ये हमारे पास C है। The area between the Lorenz curve and the line of equal distribution is a visual representation of, तो ये हमारे पास C है। इसके बाद है when is the Lorenz curve generally used, तो ये हमारे पास C है to compare to the concentration inequality of the wealth or income in different regions or time periods। ठीक है, तो ये हमारा 15 तक लेक्चर हो गया। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट इंशाल्लाह 16 to 22 हम करेंगे। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब लाजमी कर लीजिए, लाइक भी कीजिए, वीडियो को शेयर भी कीजिए और दुआ में लाजमी याद रखिए। अल्लाह हाफिज़।